pemain baru kayak Rian, Maya, senior-senior, tapi ya memang belum bisa ngangkat anak-anak. Karena kan kita yang closernya kita kan anak-anak masih, kalau kata si Kame itu anaknya masih belajar main gitu kan, jadi belum tahu bola.
Today my player in the game not concentrate in the game. Very easy, weak, very weak, easy, slow, everything slow. Everything slow. It's not good for football player, but it's good for them. Learning this situation. But if in Thailand like this cannot. Maybe after game, okay, every player must.